Mayroon lang akong isi-share. Alam naman natin na si Sharon Cunita lumaking mayaman. Yung angka ni Sharon Cunita, yung father ni Sharon Cunita ay isang mayor ng Pasay. At yung parents niya, yung mother niya ay pamilyang mayaman. Now, ang gusto ko lang i-share is dahil nga ang magulang niya ay may kaya, so may kakayahan ding tumulong sa mga mahihirap. Ang kwento ni Sharon, umaakyat yung mga magulang niya sa Baguio at namimigay ng mga gamot sa mga taong walang kayang bumili at hirap sa buhay. Nakikisali din daw si Sharon, pinagpapila-pila din daw niya yung mga bata at namimigay din siya. So, naniwala ako sa kasabihan na your children are a reflections of you. Take pride in every aspect of their lives. They will learn by your example, not your advice. At napag-alaman ko rin na marami parang pinapaaral si Sharon Cunita. Noong 55 years siya, birthday niya, maraming nag-grade sa kanya ang kanyang mga scholar, ang kanyang mga pinapaaral, at very successful ang kanyang mga pinapaaral. So napakabait pala talaga si Sharon Cunita. She is one of a kind. Dahil nga ang pamilya niya ay very charitable, ganun din pala ang mangyayari pag yan ang nakikita mo sa mga magulang mo. And I believe for that. Kaya naman pala si Sharon ay bababa lang ang loob niya. She is down to earth.
Birthday, I am Rochelle of batch 2019 and I'm currently a Yaman staff. We thank all our lucky stars for having you in our life, for your kindness and support all throughout these years. May God give you the strength and wisdom for you to smoothly surmount all the challenges life brings you. Have a great day ahead. Thank you, Ma'am.
I sincerely appreciate your support, kindness, and encouragement over the years. Happy birthday, Miss Sharon, and Happy New Year to you and your family. God bless.
Hello, ma'am. I am Albert Shea of batch 2016, one of your scholars. Thank you very much for what you have provided me. For now, I am now a researcher at PSU. Thank you very much.
Araw po, Miss Sharon. Ako po si Nawe Alcos. Happy birthday po at maraming salamat po sa lahat ng tulong niyo.
Happy birthday po, Ma'am Sharon. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng tulong ninyo. Nang dahil po sa inyo ay nakapagtapos ako at patuloy ko pong tinutupad ang aking mga pangarap. Muli po, happy birthday po.
Happy birthday po, Ma'am Sharon. Kami po yung pamilya ni Ace Benavista. Isa po siya sa scholar nyo na nagtapos po noong 2018 at ngayon po ay nasa Bataan na po siya dahil nagtitraining po sa Philippine Coast Guard. Ito rin po kasi yung mama namin wala po dito kasi nasa Hong Kong po siya kaya kaming tatlo lang po yung magbibirit. Yun lang po, maraming salamat po, Ma'am Sharon. At happy birthday, Ma'am Sharon!
Hi, Ma'am Sharon. Have a wonderful and blessed 55th birthday. Ako po si Charity Ann Wagay, currently an EMD scholar. Stay safe and God bless po. Thank you po.
Happy birthday, Miss Sharon. I am Zeria Guanzo. I'm a third-year student, currently taking up civil engineering at SLU. And again po, happy birthday, and I hope you enjoy your day and more blessings to come.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Sharon. Thank you for unending support and more years to be added in your life filled with joy, love, and hope. Thank you and God bless.
Hello, it's me Isaiah. I just want to wish you a happy birthday and thank you for all your support. I love you and I hope you are doing well.
And especially my fans, to have good vibes all the time and parang to make naman the world a happier place. One quote that I really love is that the best act of kindness is one which you do when you know it cannot be repaid. Share ko lang, my favorite throwback photos that I share on social media are those na nahuhukay pa ng fans ko. One time, I remember very clearly, that was about 9 or 10, 8. Meron kaming bahay sa Baguio noon. Lagi may dalang extra na mga gamot si Mommy na dinodonate ng mga mabubuting tao. I remember being so excited kasi namimigay din ako. Nasa pila ko naman mga bata. One of my fans found a photo of me doing exactly that in Baguio with a line of kids in front of me, and it brought me to tears. I remembered my mom and dad. I remembered how it made me feel. I was so young and I already knew kaya mong tumulong kahit nakikisali ka lang. Yun ang di ko talaga malimot. Dala-dala ko yun hanggang ngayon. Because of the positive reactions to my bathing suit photos, i-share ko lang yung na-feel ko doon. I really was inspired by all the wonderful, lovely comments about those pictures that I really didn't expect. Yung nanibago sila, mas nanibago ako. Dahil ko nang bathing suit in public. I became inspired to continue my weight loss journey. I owe it to my audience to look like a leading lady. You have to look like